Did you see those hops? All right, I like it. Back over. You can go a little higher than that. All right, here we go. Now, I'm gonna challenge you to get up higher. You ready to work? You ready? Count of 3, me and you go. Land back. Nice, good. Take it back. Good work. This is the move where Sean drops his knees way low. That's how you challenge yourself. Make sure you keep that chest up. Keep that chest up when you go down. Mommy, a 3. Here we go. Good. Form is perfect. He's doing good. Way to push yourself. Here we go, 20 seconds, come on. That's it, stay low. Look at these hamstrings, parallel to the ground. Outstanding work, Megan. Here, nice transition, chest is up. Whoa. Here we go, 10 seconds. Good job.